What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So here on this channel, I've talked about everything from selling items on eBay and Amazon, performing online services on websites like Fiverr.com, even writing articles for clients on Upwork or selling online courses on websites like Teachable and Udemy.com. But I've also listened to your comments when you say, I can't do that, or that's too hard. So I have a new list of some side hustles that you can do to make money in 2022. Now, one of the things that you need to understand is these things are much easier and will likely cater to your current experience and skill levels. These are all different. One of these is going to require you to have a vehicle. If you have a vehicle, this will work for you. One requires you to have some time. If you have available time, this will work for you. One requires you to have space. So, with all of these things, the only must that you must have is a desire to make money. Now, in a video I did recently, I discussed how 61% of people in the United States are living paycheck to paycheck, and 56% of Americans couldn't afford a $1,000 emergency. And I said, and I was very clear, something has to change. This is the change. This list of side hustles that I'm going to provide you with today on how to make money in 2022 will do one thing: provide you with that change. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Side hustle number one is to let your vehicle do the work. Did you know that there is a way that you can actually lend your vehicle to others? People will pay to rent your vehicle for a specific amount of time in order to do a specific task that their vehicle just can't do. For instance, you can rent out your truck to somebody that needs help moving. People rent trucks all the time when they go camping or they need to move or they need to tow something. And you could do that. You could even rent out a van. Did you know that larger families sometimes do not go on vacations because they don't have a car large enough to hold everybody? Well, if they have one, and if you have one, you can rent it out to them and now they can go on vacation. Guess what? You get paid. Now, here's a website, it's called Turo.com, and on this website, you can list your vehicles for rent, and you can rent it to people in need. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I need a car in Seattle, Washington on February 24th at 10 a.m. I'm going to click that, okay? So, it's going to pull up all the different cars that are available. Now, let's say I want a specific car. Let's say I want an exotic car. I can come to price, and I can just bump it up. Look at this. It's going to show me all the different cars. I can get a Porsche 911, BMW 7 Series, Mustang, Cayenne, the G-Wagon, right? Get a GTR, get all these different cars. But here's the nice thing about this, and this is what most people don't realize, is you can rent just anything, okay? Let me show you this, okay? Let me show you this. Let's say I don't want any of this stuff, so I'm going to get rid of price. Let's say I want a van, right? I'm going to sort. We're actually more filters. Come down here, vehicle type. Let's say I want a truck. I need a truck. I need to move. So see the results. Here's all the trucks. Look at this: $119 a day. 2017, $79 a day. A 2022 for $64 a day. Right? They have all these different trucks. But here's what you need to keep in mind. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that your insurance company is okay with you doing this. Now, here's one of the best parts about renting out your vehicle is that Turo also offers insurance. So yes, you have insurance. The renter will have insurance as well. And the nice thing is it's so simple. You list your vehicle for rent. You wait for a renter to pay for the specific dates. And then you set up the meet where you will deliver the car and the keys. So while you're sitting at home or doing something completely different, you can be renting out your car and making money. Now, how simple is this? How simple do you think this is? Let me know down in the comment section below. Is this something that you are going to try? Let me know. And now for side hustle number two. Just be a friend. Did you know that people all across the world are looking for friends? Did you realize that people are willing to pay you, pay for meals, pay for entertainment, and pay for your time? Yes, this is true. There is a website out there. It's called Rent a Friend. This is where you can go online and find somebody to spend time with. You could be asked to attend a sporting event, go out to dinner, or watch a movie, maybe even go on vacation. There's truly endless possibilities here. And one of the best parts about Rent a Friend is that you get to go have fun, spend time with a possible new friend, and all this is paid for you. And then maybe you don't have any special skills that could really work for you to do things like, marketing and writing articles and selling items online. That doesn't matter. Here, the best thing about this is you just show up, you be a friend, they will pay for all your activities, and the best part is you still get paid. Now, you might only get paid $20 an hour, but that's still better than nothing. Look at this. Look at some of the things that people might ask you to do. You could do things like go to baking events, sporting events, sightseeing. Maybe you need to go on a prom, attend a beach, wine tasting. You could just go hang out. There's so many things that you could do right here. Now, one thing I can tell you is that there's so many options. There's so many options out there for you. So if you are serious about trying to make some money, go and get on rentafriend.com. It's simple, okay? It's easy, and it's free. That's the best part. And side hustle number 3, get paid for space. Did you know that people will pay you for your space? Yeah, that's right. If you have a backyard that would be perfect for a party, people will pay for it. If you have a garage that's ideal for working on a car, people will pay for it. And maybe you have the perfect house for a corporate retreat or maybe a wedding. People will pay for that too. And the nice thing is you get paid by the hour. There is a website out there. It's called peerspace.com. Here it is. Right here is where you can rent out your home, rooms, your yard, or even a garage to people that need it. And the best part is that Peerspace only takes a 15% fee. Everything else, you get that money. And on average, a small space is renting for about $80 an hour and up. Look at this. Let's say I'm looking for a wedding venue in Seattle, Washington on April 17th. I will hit search. Look at this, okay? So there's all these different venues right here just in Seattle, okay? So I can come down here and let's say I want something really open like this. Oh, this urban dance hall with the funky flair. I'm going to click on that one. Maybe that's the one that I want. Well, here we go. It's a 3-hour minimum, $120 an hour, so $360 right there, just from one person. Okay? Just from one person renting this out. Look at this. Okay? See, they offer some pictures here. So I can go and see the different pictures. All right, pretty cool, right? Big open space. Look at that. Right? Maybe that's what I'm looking for. If that's what you have something like that, there you go. You can start making some money. Now, one of the things I'm always asked from people is, well, I don't have any specific skills. What could I do? I just showed you 3 things. You can rent space on peerspace.com. You can be a friend on rentafriend.com. Or the first thing I showed you, the third idea, you can rent out your vehicle to people that may need it. You have a truck, I guarantee you people are looking for trucks. You have a larger van, spacious, right? Runs good, it's fairly new. People will rent vans. I've had to do this several times, in my lifetime, just because the vehicles that we had didn't have enough seats for the amount of people that we were taking to go on vacation. So guess what? You gotta rent a van. So that's one of the things that you can do. Now I know this list is somewhat out there. You may not have a vehicle or that kind of time or don't have the space, but check out these different sites and see who is actually offering what kind of car on Turo.com and in your area and how much are they getting. Just look into this. Or who is in your area that's looking for a friend and what are they asking you to do? It could be something simple as let's go out to dinner, let's go watch a movie. Great. You get to watch a movie for free, you get a meal, and you get paid for it. Awesome. Or just spend the time and look on peerspace.com for things in your area and what they are charging and look at their pictures, because I can guarantee you, your space, it may not be perfect for you, but I guarantee you it is perfect for somebody. and they're likely to rent it. So if you have questions on any of this stuff, please ask your questions down in the comment section below. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.